This is my Elderflower Cordial 2024.
Now is the time. This is when it's at its peak. So go and get it. Get out in the sunshine, get picking, get the steps in, and smell and taste the summer. You even get your stretches in, look.
So for this one, you're going to need about 50 to 60 heads of elderflower, a sliced orange, about 5 or 6 strips of lemon zest, and then you're going to cover this with 3 litres of boiling water, pop a plate on, weight it down and let this cool. It takes about 4 or 5 hours, or ideally leave it overnight. And then you're going to strain it through some muslin cloth, being sure to squeeze out as much juice as possible. Then pour the elderflower mixture into a pan, and for every 500 ml of elderflower, you're going to add 350 grams of something sweet. I'm using unrefined granulated sugar. Add the juice of a lemon and bring it up to the boil, and any impurities that come to the top you're going to skim. Once the sugar's dissolved, you're going to decant it into sterilised bottles, and this will last about a month in a cool dark cupboard or in a fridge, or if you wanted to make it last for longer, you can add some citric acid to the mixture and it will last for up to a year, as long as you pour the hot liquid into sterilised bottles. It is delicious and smells of summer.